This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the right front wheel. Remove the retaining clips for the lower drive belt splash shield panel, then remove the panel. It may be easiest to remove the drive belt if the power steering fluid reservoir is released from the mounting bracket. Rotate the drive belt tensioner pulley mounting bolt clockwise to release the tension of the drive belt. Hold the tensioner in this position, then slip the belt off the power steering pump pulley. Remove the drive belt from the engine, first noting how the belt is routed among the various pulleys to ensure correct installation of the belt. Remove the power steering pump hose bracket bolt. Remove the power steering pump mounting bolts. Position the power steering pump safely aside, resting it on top of shop rags placed on the intake manifold. There is no need to disconnect any power steering hoses. Remove the tensioner pulley bolt, then remove the pulley. Loosen and remove the 3 tensioner mounting bolts. Remove the tensioner. Peel back the protective rubber cover, then remove the nut that attaches the alternator output cable to the stud on the back side of the alternator. Disconnect the alternator output cable. Disconnect the electrical connector from the alternator. Remove the 2 lower alternator mounting bolts. Remove the remaining upper mounting bolt, then remove the alternator from the engine. Install the alternator to the bracket on the engine and screw in the mounting bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the electrical connections to the alternator. Tighten the nut fastening the output cable securely, then secure the protective cover over the nut. Before installing the tensioner, take note of the tensioner pulley mounting nut, placed inside of the tensioner arm in the hex recess. This nut may tend to fall out on installation. Be prepared to hold the nut in place and prevent cross-threading of the pulley mounting bolt when installing. Install the tensioner and mounting bolts. Tighten the tensioner mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the tensioner pulley and mounting bolt onto the tensioner. Hold the pulley mounting nut in place if necessary. Tighten the tensioner pulley bolt to the specified torque setting. Install the power steering pump onto the tensioner mounting bracket. Tighten the power steering pump mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the power steering pump hose bracket and bolt. Tighten the bolt securely. Install the drive belt, loosely routing it over the various pulleys in the correct order, as noted before removal. Rotate the drive belt tensioner and slip the belt onto the tensioner pulley and power steering pump pulley. Make sure that the belt is fitted correctly. Slowly release the tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Install the lower splash shield panel and retaining clips. Install the power steering fluid reservoir into the mounting bracket. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nuts securely.